going to review a creamy foundation that I bought in TikTok. There are a lot of foundations now that are coming out in the market, especially on TikTok. So I just really want to try this because I always watch this on my feed. So this is mga March, the Minelli Full Coverage Creamy Foundation. So it says here, always on full coverage creamy foundation. It has SPF 30 PA+++. It has also oil control and it's long lasting. Medyo na-intriga ako mga Marks sa kanyang mga claims. So we are going to try this one mga Marks. And as you can see, wala akong makeup. Mainit. Ang init pa rin kahit umuulan. So wala akong makeup and I'm going to do my makeup using this full coverage foundation of Minimel. Okay, let us do my makeup now. Ay, paano ba ito buksan? Okay. So, as you can see, ang ganda niya. Meron pa siyang lagayan. So, separate yung lagayan niya. Then you can open it again. Tingnan natin kung mako-cover niya. Sabi full coverage daw eh. It's really a creamy foundation. It's not a liquid foundation. It's different. Okay, so creamy siya. So, kailangan mang medyo idiin. So mga Mards, as you can see, I have no foundation on. So mag-start tayo sa unang-unang ginagawa ko. Let's start with the primer. So I'm always using Zero Pores. Ang ganda nito, promise. I bought another of this one. So dalawa na yung binili ko. I use this when I go out, especially when you go and see your friends and pag may occasions. Kasi ang kinis mo mga Marge. Promise. Ang ganda. So, ganyan lang. Lalo dun sa kung saan ka meron mga pores or meron ng mga wrinkles like here as well. Hindi kayo magsisisi pag bumili kayo nito. I already reviewed Zero Pores primer mga Marge. So, check nyo na lang. Or maybe I'll just put the link on my description box so that you can see how this really works on your skin and especially before applying makeup or foundation. And yun ang mga Marge, before applying makeup, you should have really a good skincare. Or kung meron ka naman skincare, like, especially if you already apply a sunscreen, let it dry first. Last time, what I did was, I apply sunscreen, and I don't think na hindi pa siya tuyo. And then, I apply this foundation, and wow, ano siya, ang pangit. So, you really have to have a good skincare, mga man. At saka pag yung nag-skincare kayo, medyo patuyuin nyo muna, then saka nyo ilagay the next layer. So, ayan. So, okay na yung ating Zero Pores Primer. So ito na yung ating Minimally Always On Full Coverage Creamy Foundation. Tingnan natin kung full coverage talaga siya. What I really like here is ito. Very, siya, hygienic. Okay, then, kuha tayo. Medyo didiin ko ng konti kasi it's a okay, try natin. Oh. My light blemishes is gone. Pero ito medyo dark, so nag-lighten siya. But let me put another layer later. So, tap lang muna tayo. Yung sa TikTok, ginaganyan nila eh. Ako kasi tap. This is how I do my foundation. Creamy man yan, liquid foundation. This is how I do it lang. Tinatap ko lang talaga siya. And then, kung meron namang Kung meron kang sponge, you can use the sponge. Okay. Ang puti ba? So, I don't know if you still can see my blemishes. I still can see my blemishes here. This one is really dark. So, tsaka yung mga ugat-ugat. I forgot how they call that one. Lagyan natin pa. Ayaw eh. Another layer on that. And then, ayan, medyo nag-gray na siya kasi it's dark. And mga marks, if we have spots on our face like it's dark, hindi talaga niyan makakover ng foundation lang. So you have to put or to apply concealer. And I have this concealer from GR or Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, and it really works. So, pag nalagyan mo na siya ng foundation, hindi na yan nakikita. Because, if you don't have that, you can see it's nagtiturn lang ng gray. Grayish na lang yung color. So, yeah, I think that's it mga March. It's okay now. So, medyo ibabuff lang muna natin. Like, or yung excess, tatanggalin natin. So, using a sponge. So, para mas maganda yung lapat ng foundation. Nag-stream, ano ako? Bakit? Yeah. Tamang-tama. Thanks. Hindi ko na i-edit yun. Ayan, may binigay sa akin yung daughter ko. So, i-review ko to soon. It's the Pond's Bright Miracle Niasour Sinol. Tapos meron din color na may melody. So, you just have to apply an ample amount mga Mards. Kasi I noticed na parang napupunta siya sa pores. Napasok siya sa pores. So, huwag damihan. Just a right amount of foundation. Okay, so yan. Medyo na babother ako dito. Ito na muna natin. Asan ba yung aking... Okay. So, habang hinihintay natin matuyo, yan, mag-set yung ating foundation. Let me just do my brows. Ang gamit ko ay Wow Brow Eyeliner from Careline. I always use makeup before I stream. May bago akong ginagawa ngayon mga Mards. I'm going to do first yung contour. So, puro Careline. So, I'm using the Careline contour stick. Ganyan ako mag-contour. Sa nose, ang hirap talagang mag-contour. Kasi pag matatabingi yung contour mo, abay, tabingi din ang nose mo. My gosh. So, ang hirap din. Like, so, it's convenient for me just to use my fingers. Lalo pag sa nose. Kasi ang hirap, mahirap siyang ipantay eh. Our blush. Yan, ganito din ako mag-blush ngayon. Yan, nakita ko ulit ito sa TikTok. So, yeah, I have to put some Final powder. Hindi siya creamy glow ngayong final powder yung nakuha ko. Lipstick na lang mga March. So for me, it can only give you a medium coverage. So eto very very light lang to, but I still can see it. This foundation is very light. Usually when you say creamy, mabigat yan, di ba? But this one is really very light. What I like is that it has also an SPF of 30 PA+++ and oil control and long-lasting din siya. So later mga March, I will be streaming like 2.5 hours and matatapos ako dinner time. And usually after I finish streaming, I go straight to the dining room to have dinner. Let's see kung walang lalabas na oil dyan kasi meron siyang oil control. Kung yung foundation natin, okay pa. So I'll see you again tonight for an update.
Meron pa yung foundation. So, naglalast talaga yung foundation. Tapos, napansin ko, after my stream, hindi siya oily. So, good yun. So, for me, the oil control is good. And it is really long-lasting. Yung coverage lang niya, doon medyo umano. Kasi, for me, it's medium coverage lang. Hindi siya full coverage. If you don't have dark spots like me, okay na okay yon. So, you can also use, parang ako, para maganda rin yung may nakitang mga spots kasi it will look natural on you. And, okay siya sa mga oily skin.
Mga March, this has been Rice DG. I will see you again on my next one. Bye!